There's nothing quite like the performance of a fresh polishing pad, but many users unknowingly shorten pad life through poor habits. If you want to protect your investment and maintain consistent results, here are a few essential tips to extend the life of your pads. First, always break the vehicle into smaller sections and rotate your pads regularly. This helps minimize heat buildup and paint residue accumulation. Using just one pad for an entire car, that's a fast track to premature wear. 2 pads per vehicle is the minimum. 4 or more is even better for optimal performance. Next, after each panel, clean your pad using compressed air or a dedicated cleaning tool. This resets its cutting ability, reduces stress on the material, and helps keep temperatures in check. Finally, refine your technique. Apply reduced pressure, keep the pad flat to the surface, and use shorter polishing cycles. Be especially cautious around emblems, edges, and tight contours. Once a pad is torn or chunked, its performance drops significantly. With a little care and attention to technique, your polishing pads will last longer, stay cooler, and consistently deliver professional-grade results.